look at that coverage. Ooh, wait a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. I was not expecting this video. I was not expecting, for one, for the package to get here this fast. I ordered it yesterday. Today is Wednesday. I'm literally filming in real time. And I also was not expecting Zara to have foundations and the range that it has. So let me show you my box. Girl, it came like this. It was sitting in front of my door just like this, open. I was like, oh my gosh, my stuff is not gonna be in here. So to my surprise, I have everything in here. Now, I don't know how these foundations are gonna look. I ordered two and I also ordered a concealer. First off, y'all know how Zara's website is. Like, I hate shopping on their website. And second of all, they didn't have the actual shade names, or at least I couldn't see it on the site. So, okay. Well, let me show you the box. This is the box. Can y'all see? Has the Zara logo on the front in white. And it actually has the shade on here. It says W949 and then C944. And then this is the concealer that I got, which is N936. Now that I think about it, I did see this. I thought that was just like the item number, but I saw, hold on, let me pull the stuff up. Yeah, it's the item number, but this is not on there. Maybe because I was just on my phone, maybe you can see it on the computer, but I do not see the actual shade on here. Hold on. So you click on shades and then it has a range. It says light, light, medium, medium, medium deep, and deep. So I picked medium deep and I was just looking at the colors, y'all. I don't know what matches. So I was just picking through, and I still don't see the actual shade, but it's 51 shades. And again, I got the shade W949 and C944. So we're gonna test them out and see how it looks. I really hope this is a good color though, because I want to see how this foundation wears. Ooh, nice glass packaging, very plain. There's like no, okay, there's a logo right there on the front, but this looks like it'll be kind of promising, y'all. Oh no, girl, this might be promising. And then we have a C944. Doesn't look much different than the first one. Okay, sun, can you stay like this? Just stay like this for me, because this is the best lighting right here. And then the concealer, I got N936. So I got a neutral undertone concealer. Okay, just looking at this, I know this is gonna be a good color, because this is the shade I usually go for. And the glass is not frosted like the foundation bottle. But okay, Zara, okay. It reminds me of a nail polish. All right, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in. I'm done with the brows. Let's talk about this foundation. So it's called the Limitless Soft Matte Foundation. It retails for $19.90. So it's a light foundation, long lasting and supple with a soft matte finish. Its formula lasts 12 hours and keeps control shine for a faultless look. Available in 51 shades to adapt to any skin tone and undertone. So I'm gonna start out with actually swatching the foundation. So we're gonna go with, ooh, it has a pump. We're gonna go with C first, C944. I'm gonna have the shades that I got in the description. Give it a shake, and I'm gonna pump it out. I'm actually gonna try to match it on my chest, but I wanna actually pump it out. Oh, dang, I should have brought my little clear palette thing to squirt it out on. Does this lock? Okay, so you gotta unlock it. It's gonna take a minute. There it goes. All right, she is thick. She is thick. I have a feeling I got a good shade match, y'all. I have a really good feeling about this, but we will see. Here is W and then C. I want to go, well, let me just swatch it though first and see what they are giving. So there is C right there. And then we have W right. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I don't even know which one to do now. They both look good. Let's go with W. Because I feel like this may pull a little red on me. Yeah, let's go with W. I wish I had actual names of the shades. Because who's going to remember to say W9382, you know? There's a foundation that I have that like this is reminding me of, which one is it? e.l.f. Flawless, what is it called? The Flawless Finish Foundation. Wow, this is definitely reminding me of it. And look at that coverage. Ooh, wait a minute! Wait a minute! Whoa! Y'all. This thing said light coverage, but she is giving cover. Oh, this is like perfect. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I almost want to put C on this side. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's just put both of the shades on so y'all can see how it looks. Okay, this is gonna be hard to get up here on my forehead. Oh my gosh. Zara. Oh my gosh. What? And this thing is only $19. Well, $20 with tax, but still. OMG. And this is probably the fastest I've ever gotten anything from Zara online. Ordered it yesterday, it came today. Like, this was literally overnighted. That's crazy. They said she gonna get this foundation. Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? Oh my gosh. She is beautiful. Now that I have it all blended out on my face, it is reminding me so much of the e.l.f. Cosmetics foundation. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. It reminds me so much of it. Like the way it feels, the way it looks, the way it blended out, the way it the way it looks on the hand when you squirt it out, because it's kind of thick, but it doesn't feel thick on the face. It feels very, very light. And I guess that's why they say it's light, because it's definitely giving me coverage. Yeah, it just says a light foundation. It doesn't say a light coverage. It just says a light foundation. So I guess that's what they mean by light, because it does feel light on the skin. Okay, let's do C on this side. And let's see what shade, you know, looks the best. I wish I had another sponge, but I'm just gonna try to get most of the color off of here. I need to hurry up because it is getting dark outside. It's about to storm, y'all. All right, and let's try this side and see how C looks. Yeah, this is, I don't know, hold on. Y'all let me know which one you like better. So there's C right there. And remember, and again, I will have the exact number, like the exact shade in the description of this video, because y'all are gonna hear me say W and C throughout this video. But the actual number will be listed down below. Okay, what do we think? Do we like cool tone or the warm tone? It honestly looks the same, y'all. I mean, am I tripping? Does it look the same to y'all? I feel like it looks the same. I feel like it looks the same. So I mean, maybe there's a slight difference, but what do y'all think? All I know is I'm glad that I chose a shade that I can actually wear, you know? Instead of it being, like, instead of this review going left because of the shade, like, because the shade is wrong, it is good. Like, the shades are good. Look at this coverage. Are y'all seeing this? This is crazy. Oh my God, Zara. Now, if Zara could start working with influencers, then we will be good. Ooh, okay. Does this sound, now it's starting to look like this is warmer than this side, even though this is a cool tone, like a cool undertone, it almost looks warm. But the shade looks good though. Like overall, it looks good. It matches my neck, which is important. So yeah. Okay, let me do the rest of my face. And then, oh, we have the concealer. I totally forgot about this. Let's do the concealer. So the color I got again is N936. And we're gonna swatch it. All right, so the doe foot applicator looks like that. Let's give it a swatch. Ooh, creamy. Okay, what concealer? Oh, wait a minute, is it already drying down? Hold on, y'all. It almost looks like it's drying down, but let me see. Oh yeah, this is a good shade. Ah, I should have pulled up. Wait, this stuff is drying. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on like I usually do and see, because I was gonna just go ahead and blend it out, but let me put it on like I usually do all my other concealers and then blend it out, because I want to see something real quick. Because I just want to see if this is a matte concealer. I need to pull up that thing. I need to pull up the page because, oops, I didn't even read about the concealer. So when you set this down, it's gonna look like it's slanted because the bottom is slanted. Just letting you know. And it's easy for it to fall over when you just set it down, so you gotta be careful with it. Let's see, concealer. All right, it says, well, it's called the Luminous Creamy Concealer. This is $12.90, like I said earlier. It says a creamy, dewy formula that is easy to blend. But it feels like, well, it doesn't feel, but it kind of looks like it's drying down. It says this product provides supple medium coverage with a luminous satin finish, available in 36 shades to go with our foundation to perfection. Yeah, so, all right, let me blend this out before it actually dries down, if it is gonna dry down. Let's see how it looks. Oh, okay. That's weird. When I put it on, like, it immediately looks like it was drying down. But now that, ooh, now that I blended it out, like, it was actually easy to blend out. It wasn't hard at all. I thought it was gonna be too dry to blend out. That's weird. It's like I put it on, it looked like it was drying down. It looked like it was gonna be a matte finish, but once I started blending it out, it looks flawless. What? And it's easy to blend out too. This is, like, this has got me mind blown, y'all. I am shook. All right, here is the face. It looks flawless, y'all. Like full coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy. Okay, let me do the rest of my face now, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see how it looks with all my other makeup on. I will have everything that I'm using on the face down below in the description. And when I come back, I will give you guys my final thoughts on the foundation and the concealer. Unfortunately, I can't do a full day wear test because it is later on in the day. But you guys know I always come back and give you guys an update on the products that I use. So be on the lookout for another video with an update on the foundation and the concealer. But let me finish up and then I'll be back. All right, I am done. This is what she looks like. Still looks really good even after putting on all the other products that I have on the face. And I'm here for it, you guys. I am here for this foundation. Girl, Zara really just surprised me with this. Like, are y'all seeing the skin? Now, again, I don't know how this is gonna wear throughout the day, but I will update you guys. I will let y'all know my thoughts on it. But based on my first impression, I am here for this foundation. But yeah, girl, that is all that I have for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up so that way I can edit it and try to have it up tonight. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching me do a first impression on the Zara foundation and concealer. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.